Well, it is back to the classroom for a lot of Arizona students today. Both Chandler and Scottsdale will start to welcome back some of their teachers and students. In Mesa, at the state's largest school district, their modified in-person learning begins as well. That's where we find Team 12's Jen Wahl. So Jen, what can families expect today?
Yeah, good morning to you guys. It's a big day for several East Valley school districts, and we're out live in Mesa right now where a lot of students are getting ready to return. Teachers and staff have been preparing them over the last few days and weeks, just getting ready for this return to the classroom. So Mesa, with more than 63,000 students in its district, says they meet metrics to begin hybrid learning, and the changes each grade level are making for COVID safety are outlined on the Mesa Public Schools website. And yes, there will be a lot of COVID-19 precautionary changes in place to keep everyone as safe as possible. So some of those include modifications for elementary through high school students. Some of the top ones, MPS is requiring all staff and students to take daily home health assessments before heading out the door. Then on campus and on buses, masks are required for all K through 12 students. Physical distancing is also being implemented as much as possible. And while Mesa is starting their modified in-person learning, Scottsdale schools are starting to open doors for preschool students and special education students. And in Chandler, they're beginning their rollout with preschool through second grade. And then back here live in Mesa, the district says they're also partnering with the city, and they're giving out free COVID-19 testing and flu vaccination events at 5 different district schools. For now, we're live in Mesa. Jen Wahl, Today in AZ.
Big day. All right, Jen, thank you. With new information coming out almost by the minute, we know it can be tough to keep up. You can find the latest details about the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on the 12 News app.